You're losing $1,000 to $3,000 in interest payments because of one common credit score myth, and it's not what you think. Stick around because I'm about to reveal exactly which myth is draining your bank account and how much it's actually costing you right now. If you carry any credit card balance, the next 4 minutes could literally put thousands of dollars back in your pocket this year alone. According to the Federal Reserve, households in the 50K to 100K income band could see a $1,000 to $3,000 difference in interest paid over the life of a credit card balance. One of these myths could be costing you thousands of dollars in interest payments, and I'll show you the exact math, the specific score ranges, and the 4 moves that fix it before this video ends. If you ignore these credit score myths, you could end up paying thousands of dollars more in interest and damaging your financial stability for years to come. I've seen families waste $15,000 to $25,000 over a decade because they believed one simple lie about how credit scores actually work. The biggest myth, that your credit score is the only factor lenders use to set your interest rate. It's false. And here's why it matters so much. According to FICO, credit scores are just one of several factors lenders weigh when pricing your rate. Debt-to-income ratio and credit utilization also play massive roles, sometimes even more important than the score itself. Let me break down the real numbers. The difference between a good credit score and an excellent credit score could mean a 2-5% gap in interest rates. That translates to $1,000 to $3,000 in savings over the life of a single credit card balance. But if you don't understand what actually moves your score, you'll miss these savings entirely. Here's a concrete example that hits home. Take a household earning $80,000 per year with average credit card debt of $6,360 according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. With a good credit score around 670-739, they might qualify for an 18% interest rate. With an excellent score of 750 or higher, they could land 13%. That 5% gap saves them $1,200 per year in interest alone. That's $14,400 over a decade on just one credit card. But here's the worst part, there's a second myth hiding underneath this one. Most folks think credit utilization barely matters. Wrong. If that same household keeps their credit card balances at 50% of their limit instead of 10%, lenders view them as higher risk, and that can trigger an additional 1-3% rate increase on top of everything else. We're now talking about saving $400 to $800 per year just by managing utilization correctly. Want a surprising pivot? Data shows households with higher credit scores tend to have lower debt-income ratios and better credit utilization patterns, meaning the score isn't the cause, it's the symptom. By improving your score and optimizing these other factors, you can save thousands of dollars in interest payments over the life of a credit card balance, sometimes upwards of $5,000 for a single account. According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, credit score accuracy is crucial in determining loan and credit card interest rates. 1 in 5 reports contains an error that could be silently costing you. This is why monitoring matters. By understanding the factors that affect your credit score, you can take strategic steps to improve it and save serious money. Here's your action plan. First, check your credit report at annual credit report. Calm at least quarterly and dispute any errors immediately. Second, pay your bills on time. Every single time payment history is 35% of your FICO score. Third, keep your credit utilization below 30% and ideally below 10%. Fourth, don't close old credit cards even after paying them off because account age matters. By following these 4 steps, you can improve your credit score and save thousands of dollars in interest payments. If you want the full numbers, the complete implementation checklist, and the advanced strategies, the deep version is in my book, The Latte Math, link in the description below. In conclusion, understanding credit score myths is crucial for making informed financial decisions. By debunking common myths and improving your credit score, you can save thousands of dollars in interest payments and achieve real financial stability. If this saved you money or opened your eyes, hit subscribe. I'm covering the surprising truth about credit utilization in the next video, dropping soon. Ring the bell so you don't miss it. What's your biggest takeaway?